Good morning, parents. I just want to double check and make sure that everyone knows how we're logging in this morning into MySDMC and then where to go exactly from there. So I just wanted to walk you through. Right now, you're seeing the main login screen here. So you go to the launchpad.classlink.com and a /Manatee Schools, and that's going to take you to this blue screen. From there, you're going to click the big blue button and it's going to log you in. That is, of course, as long as your student ID number and the SB16 got you into this place to begin. If not, look at mine's loading too. That's what everybody is struggling with this morning. So it's not just you. There are a bunch of students trying to log in still. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to see all of the apps. You can get rid of this. So Focus, this guy right here, this little owl, he's the one that we're going to take attendance. So mine's going to look different than yours. But first thing you're going to see when you click that is you're going to click in and you're going to see a big green button and it's going to say I'm present and you mark yourself here for the day, okay? So I'll go back to my apps to find Schoology, which is what we're all looking for right here. We're going to find Schoology. You can scroll yourself down and it's this one right here. Yours is just going to say Schoology. It's not going to have this little staff on it, but you're going to click the S and that's going to take you to your Schoology. So as long as you were able to log in with your student ID number and the password SB16, you should be able then to log into your main Schoology account. Mine looks a little different, but you guys are going to have the same things up top. You'll see your picture if you put one, your name, and then you're going to click courses right over here. And a little drop down will come. Some of these are out of order and that's okay. All you're looking for is Miss Thomas's homeroom class. You're going to click into that. And hopefully you see this, which is our welcome folder and then the coursework for this week. So you take your time going through the welcome folder. You can watch the video from me, all of the things that we will be doing this week. You can always hit the back button to go to our folder. And in here is your coursework for the day and then the whole week as you scroll down. Let me know if you're continuing to have any problems. I'm troubleshooting those of you who are struggling with logging in. I'm trying to figure it all out and we'll just keep taking this moment by moment, day by day. We'll get there. Thank you for your patience and I'll talk to you all soon.